Tiffany and I'm the new host of ABI Interiors House Tours. Today I'm going to take you through my first project, Villa Pearl. The facade is fresh, coastal and simply quite breathtaking. I'm excited to see the inside, so let's go on in and check it out. As you enter the home, you pass under this double-story arch, which makes for such a grand entrance. The front end of the home has a study, a bathroom, and a laundry. We'll head upstairs in just a second, but first I want to take you through to the heart of the home, the kitchen, the living, and the dining. Colour palette in here is neutral, touches on some Mediterranean styles. We've got a gorgeous travertine slab, some custom fluting that curves around the front here. Behind me we've got the camouflaged range hood in these mosaic white tiles. We've got this soft walnut cabinetry and of course our brushed brass tapware that I feel completes the space. We've got a wine cabinet here, which is such a great use of empty space underneath the staircase. Down here is the living room. We must talk about this fireplace wall. These pillar designs just add so much dimension to this space. And this arch window adds so much natural light in here, and it quite literally frames a beautiful picture of their water views. Let's head upstairs. Stepping into the main bedroom of the home, I instantly feel like I'm at a luxury villa. I've got a private terrace and of course a generous sized ensuite. You'll notice that the colour palette in this home is really cohesive. They've used the same travertine look tiles downstairs and in all the bathrooms. We've got the double shower here with a beautiful skylight above, a double vanity, and of course a freestanding bath that looks out into the water views. Off from the master we have a sitting room, as well as 2 bedrooms, each with their own balcony, and a main bathroom. One thing this home has done really well is their attention to detail. They've used brushed brass throughout, not only in their tapware, but also those finer details like door hardware and also floor waste. It's those small details that make all the difference. The outside transitions seamlessly from the inside, similar textures and finishes. We've even got this arch-like feature for the barbecue area. The outdoor living completes that villa lifestyle that the owners were trying to achieve. They've even included a wellness area with our solar outdoor shower set and a sauna. Thank you to Emily and Jamie for letting us into their home today, and thank you for joining me on my first house tour with ABI. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you at the next one.